Alright, hey guys. Here's a Fanimation elevation ceiling fan. It does look like the Harbor Breeze version, but it's not the Harbor Breeze version because it usually has like kind of like a oak wood on it. And this one's a brushed nickel. It's remote controlled. So this button right here means stop. It'll shut it off. Low, medium, and high, and this is the light, which it doesn't have a bulb in it. Well, it did come with a bulb, but I know I accidentally broke it a little bit. So I just what I did is just I just threw it out. Just untwisted it and just broke a little bit. So just what I did is just threw it in the trash. So I'm gonna show you. Does look very similar to the elevation. It's not the elevation. Kind of disagree. Well, the elevation would more look like this, but it's the elevation, so that's what it is. There's the reverse switch, and I'll go ahead and turn to alright, so the light does not work. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn it to low. Oops. This is a very nice ceiling fan. I'm gonna go ahead and turn to medium. I'm trying to make it. I got this also at Fanimation as well, looking at the giveaways. I'll turn it to high. Fanimation. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and stop fan. And I'll go ahead and reverse it. Like, move it so it doesn't have the fast go. There we go. I'll turn it to low. I'm not gonna. I'm gonna try to hurry. I'm gonna turn it to medium. Hi. I'll go ahead and turn it off. Alright, that's it. That's the Fanimation elevation ceiling fan. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoy. Bye.